Alright, so here we have a phylogenetic tree, and so the phylogenetic tree we have here is rooted where the distance between the OTUs are known and organized into a specific order of divergence. This is different from an unrooted tree where we wouldn't have this kind of timeline. And so let's start off with a couple of terms. And so we have anagenesis, where the evolution within a lineage over time is seen right over here. And so we also have cladogenesis, where the splitting of one lineage into two we see at these little nodes. And then OTUs, which are operational taxonomic units, and they can be a variety of things from alleles to species, etc. And so OTUs are used to classify groups of closely related individuals, and in this case, our candies right here. Alright, so let's start here with the outgroup, or the OTU that diverged sooner than the others, which for us is lychee jelly. And this is due to the texture of the jellies to be neither hard or soft. And so you can see where our OTUs diverge at these internal nodes right here in blue, showing where they are connected to be common ancestors. And so for our tree, we split these Asian snacks up into jellies and candies, and then from there hard and then softer candies, and then from there we have our gummies, which leads to the kasugai gummies and the ginger candies, which are softer. And so in terms of texture, then you have the taffies, and these are still softer than the hard ones, but they're in here because they're harder than the gummies, and where we have haichus and white rabbits. And then into our hard candies, we have fruit-based hard candies and then drink-based hard candies. In our fruit-based hard candies, we have candies that are slightly closer to taffies, where the exterior is hard and then the interior is softer. And we have the ume candies and the guava hard candies. And then in the drink-based hard candies, we have our completely hard candies, which are our Milky's hard candies and Kopiko coffee hard candies. It is also important to know that the common ancestors for all these can be seen in these little parts of the diagram. So for example, all the taffies and gummies and even the hard candies, they all fall under the common ancestry of being a candy.